Hello everyone, this is Maki on Keeping It Real. People get scared when you are succeeding, and they are very calm when you are failing. What am I talking about? Failure brings calmness and love. This is because when you start doing something and you are succeeding, people will be like, why did I not do it? If I knew, I would have done this. This person is doing it and he or she is succeeding. And because the world that we have found ourselves is so wicked, they will try to stop you. My dear, you got to be very vigilant when you are succeeding. Don't let anyone come in between you and your promised land. Remember, even the Red Sea could not stop the children of Israel to get to their land of milk and honey. So, always look unto God in whatever you are doing, so that nobody should stop you from getting to your land of milk and honey. Remember, Maki not smarting, she is just keeping it real.